Okay, so this is at Baudette Lake. Stopped here. It was a pretty good leg I just did. About 25 kilometers since the last stop. Somebody left their boat here. It's not a big lake, but it's nice. It's supposed to be really good fishing in there. Still haven't seen any moose today. But it's another good spot. A nice little spot to camp here. It's a grizzly. Somebody even left a barbecue over there. Just bring in a propane tank and away to go. I'm gonna drive down that little trail over there after and see where that goes. I'm just coming in off the logging road here. Deep in the woods. Here's the grizzly. Okay, we're gonna hit the trail.